Hi, this is Barb with the Tech Teach Grow team with another tip of the week.
Hi, today we're going to learn how to add apps and edit your MyApps page. First, to add apps, you would go to the plus sign to open up the app library. Here you will find several different categories: the district approved app library, the elementary math apps, HSD staff resources, and student resource app library. These are ones where the apps have been compiled for you. Let's say you're looking for a specific app. Um, you can go into these different folders to find it, or you can use the search bar. And when you find the app that you want to add to My Apps, you would just click on Add. So I'm adding the school menus. You get this notice saying app added successfully, and you can close that out. If I close over in the upper right corner, I can scroll to the bottom and see that HSD school menus are there. Now, if you want to rearrange where your apps are, or maybe make some folders, you can go up into edit mode. And in edit mode, you can add a folder. You can also, depending on your permissions, change the theme, the app size, font style, the color, which is the palette, or custom wallpaper. Some of these features are available only for staff, and then the rest are available for anybody in HSD. So if you want to add a new folder, you're going to click Add Folder, and you're going to label it. You can change the color if you'd like, and then press Create. Here is my new lunch menus. I'm still in edit mode, so in order to move that lunch menus over, I would click and hold, drag it over to the folder, wait till it gets smaller, and then release. And now it is in my folder. I can also delete folders or delete apps this way by hovering over them and pressing the X. I'm going to get rid of that one. Yep, I don't want it to display anymore, so I'm going to press delete, and it disappears. These are just some of the ways that you can organize your My Apps page, and when you're done, you press the X, and there you have it.